Hello my lovelies, I got this a couple of days ago now, so I've already done a video on it. So today I thought we'd try it. I think I'll come back later on and remove it and just see how easy it is to remove. So we've got, I showed the card last time but I'll show it again. So we've got the card with the lovely Olivia Atwood. There is also, it basically tells you how to remove it here. Shows how easy it is. Content examples, that's for the competition now, which I haven't got that long to enter if I want to enter it. Competition ends on the 30th, but I did only get this a couple of days ago. So let me know if you guys have tried it yet. It just looks like that. I think they're selling this on the TikTok shop. So it's the Lash Sensational Sky Tubes. So let's open her up. So it looks like that. The wand. So let's see what it looks like on my eyes. I'm not going to put any on the bottom lashes because I never do. I'm always worried about poking myself in the eye. Right, so I've already got some black here. Wow, that's nice compared to that eye there. So when you put mascara on, you're always going to see it more with the eye that's got mascara on. Yeah, that's really pretty. Let's do the other eye. It's really lengthening, volumizing. It's so pretty. Right, so that's what it looks like. Excuse the black here, I'll have to get that off, but like this eye's fine. So yeah, I really like it. I think it's lengthening and volumizing. Let's see how easy it is to take off later on. So I'm going to come back later on when I take it off. We'll talk again then. Hello again, so I'm back with the Maybelline Sky Tubes. So I didn't take it off with you the other evening, which was a few days ago. So I'm going to put it on again with you now. I'll remember to take it off with you later on. It's very easy to remove, I will say that about it. So again, it looks like that. I'll show you the brush. So the brush looks like that. It's very nice. Right, I do need a mirror. I can't just use the camera as my mirror. Otherwise, I'm going to end up poking myself in the eye. I actually poked myself in the eye the other day with it as well. Oh, it was sore. It literally coats every single lash. It doesn't make any of them clumpy. Onto the left eye. I only do a coat of mascara. I don't like double coat, but I'm sure you could. If we've got time, I'm going to try it. Oh, that's so pretty. Just going with a second coat. I feel like 2 coats is too much. It's going to make them clumpy. But that just means the effect of taking them off, you'll see it more, won't you? Or we'll see it more together. Because this is a tubing mascara, guys, if you didn't know. I don't know if it's in Boots and Superdrug yet, but I was kindly gifted this from Lorealistar and Maybelline, of course. But yeah, I'm really, really liking that. Look at her serious face, honestly. Look how long they are. It's almost giving me the false lash effect. Anyway, join me a little bit later when I take my makeup off, and I'll remember to keep the mascara on, and we'll take it off together. Right, so we're back to take the makeup off, in particular the mascara. So I'll do that before I take all the other makeup off. This is what we're looking like. The makeup has held, to be honest. So anyway, let's get some warm water, which I've already prepared. My little A mug there. My mum got me that mug from Marks and Spencer. So all you need to do is put your finger in, mix it around, and then kind of drag it onto your eyes. And you can see it's already removing it. You see there, just removing it, so then you just need to kind of get that out of the way. I did put those 2 layers on there, so I just want to make sure there's no excess. It's just really, really easy to remove. Now I look like I've got a black eye there. I don't know what's happened there. I hit record and I got the mascara off this eye as well, but it's not showing it. I just did the same thing with the warm water, and you know, did that, dragged it down, and then once all the mascara was here, I got the microfiber towel like I showed you on the right eye. So very, very easy to remove. I really, really like the mascara. This is the towel that I use. So once it was down here, I just kind of went like that with it and dragged it away. So very, very easy to remove. A very nice mascara. It's very voluminous. It feels almost like false lashes. I said that in the video, I feel like. Thank you to Maybelline. Thank you, Lorealistar. I really appreciate you thinking of me and sending it to me. I'm going to get plenty of wear out of it. I know I am. I really don't have many mascaras around my collection, so it has come in handy. I would recommend it. It's so easy to remove, like I've said. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching.